I bought a box of wine, which is 12 bottles, and I used all 12 bottles for manipulation. We've been talking about manipulated wines, but you may ask, what is manipulated wine then? Normally, when we say this wine is aged in oak, it means that that wine had been aged in an oak barrel for a limited time. However, manipulated wines are often wines that have observed oak flavors or tastes, not from a real oak barrel, but from oak chips, oak essences, or any other extra material.
야, 들어가. Get in. Doesn't smell very strong.
I shared these excellently house manipulated wines with my mentors. I may get badly treated by my mentors at the end of this project, but please keep this in mind. I do this for you, my viewers. So considering that I will get my ass kicked by my mentors, please subscribe and leave a love.
Not bad.
For your reference, I have a master's degree in winemaking. Surprise! And I also assisted cellar masters at a Bordeaux Grand Cru winery, Chateau Pape Clément, in 2005. The wine got 100 points from Robert Parker, so I know how to make wine in a professional way. Of course, what I'm doing right now is not in a professional way at all.
It tastes softer, bitter, and sweeter at the same time. So this one is a better quality essence. This one is a lower quality one. Ooh la la, the color doesn't look good. This one smells different. Oh, this one smells really bad. Oh. 2 drops. Oh, 2 drops are too many. Oh, just 1 drop. Oh. Oh, this is really bad. Very strong, very strong.
My base wine is Côte du Rhône from Igigal Winery, which is about $13 here in California. Previously, I selected this wine as one of the best choices in this price range. If you haven't watched that fun and informative video, please click on the link up there to watch it. It's one of the Portages Challenge episodes. My manipulation is done with 2 different oak essences, 2 different oak chips, 2 oak sticks, and lots of sugar. Then I prepared 2 severely manipulated wines that we've evaluated before. The first wine is Freak Show. Please refer to the link up there or watch the video with the title of Why Couldn't They Decide on the Winners? The second wine is Miami. Please refer to the link up there or watch the video with the title of Worldwide Popular Red Wines. I put 10 to 20 grams of sugar in a bottle of wine. I soaked either oak chips or oak sticks for 2 to 4 hours to get enough oak flavor and taste. You can leave fewer oak chips in the wine for a longer time to save money on the chips. But I didn't need to do that because the quantity that I was dealing was small. I didn't try to do a mass production of manipulated wines to share with my mentors day by day. So finally, all of my carefully manipulated babies are ready. Let's enjoy these masterpieces, my beloved mentors. I'm not enjoying this situation. I just do this because my viewers asked. And my beloved viewers, please enjoy their pain and subscribe to my channel and leave a love. You see? I'm suffering for you guys.
Oh my God, is that revolting?
이럴 땐 이 와인 네이버 밴드로 놀러 오시면 와인을 잘 몰라도 편하고 싸게 사실 수 있도록 제가 많이 도와드립니다. 다들 만족하시고 좋아하시더라고요.